Guys, we'll be doing an unboxing and demo of the Tech Deck Bowl Builder. Let's check it out. I'm actually excited to see what I could do on this thing. I've been actually tech decking for a long time, and I have a couple of these already. But this bowl builder seems quite interesting. So let's go ahead and take everything out, and let's check it out one by one. Alright, so that's it. Box is empty. Let's start checking out what we got here. So everything's wrapped carefully here in some paper. And then you get these plastic pieces with these little notches there, which allows you to basically build it. Oh, what's nice is it actually does come with a tech deck inside. I already had one ready here. I had this guy ready. But you get a tech deck inside, and then of course the pieces. So I'll actually show you, because I've built a couple of these before, exactly how it works, if I can remember. I'm gonna assume these things go here, right there, and then these go in the bottom. Is that how it goes? I mean, you could use the pieces, or you can just basically build it without that. Each piece acts as its own individual obstacle. Oh, here you go. This is where you put these in there. So this allows you to connect two pieces together. There you go. And then, for example, you can take this box here, and you would slide it in. Oop. Hopefully that worked out. As you can see, it holds together, and now you've got kind of a little ramp box thing going on here. So, and here you can kind of do whatever you wish there. So I check out this bowl. Let's see how it works. Let's see how much fun this thing is here. Here we've got a couple. What is this? A small little kicker. That's pretty fun. This is actually a really nice set. Even the kicker alone is pretty fun. You could spend a couple hours working on that. And then here you've got a high rail kind of box here. So it would be something like this. So there you have it. Let me adjust the camera a little bit. Let's check out all these pieces here. So we've got the little kicker. Of course, there's a lot you can do with the kicker. Do a couple tricks. Come down. No stall. So that thing's pretty fun. You could also just jump right over it. You can put it on this side too, and however you want to do it. You want to bomb into it. You can kind of like, oh, come down. So that's pretty fun. And we've got the bowl here, which is cool too. You can kind of go up. Oop. Let's go up the bowl. Grind the top. Boom. Pretty fun. It's a pretty fun setup here. And of course, you could take your time and attach all the little pieces you want. So, for example, let's put this here. And let's attach the rail, the high rail. There you go. That actually fits quite nicely. So someone can come, grind, and then kind of boom to the bowl. It's actually a pretty fun set. If you like tech decks, this is what you get. You get a nice little kicker and box. That alone you could spend hours on. I know that I love doing tricks on the box. And the bowl here is quite fun. I usually use my bathroom sink. But this will save me from having to do that. So there you go. There you have it. I think this one is just a little wall to kind of do a little wall ride. I'm sure that there's some creative ways to work with that piece there. And then you actually can attach everything all together to make one mega park. Yeah, that's basically it. I'm going to have a lot of fun here. Give me some time. Get all my tricks down. Let's see what's included. Includes a board. We already figured that out. And let's check out the back. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'd say 7 pieces. 7 different obstacles you get with this bowl builder. It's a lot of fun. As you can see, if you buy them all, you can kind of combine into a bigger one there. Adjust the camera. But as you can see, with different sets, you can kind of combine them together. And it's a lot of fun. So that's basically it, the bowl builder. Hope you guys have fun with the tech decks. Yeah, thanks so much for watching.